Welcome to the WWE version of Cooking with Martha. I am the chef. Today, I thought my favorite part of going to wrestling meets is the concession stand. So today we are going to make nachos. So we are going to start. You have a cupcake. You're going to start with your cupcake, okay? Then in a little cup, you have the cheese. It's very soft, the nacho cheese. That's nacho cheese, it's my cheese. You put it on your cupcake, okay? We take the nacho cheese, put it on the stick. Very careful, very careful. All right, then you spread it around on your cupcake. Get it nice and spread around on the cupcake. Okay, lots of cheese. Cheese is very good, very good. So you want lots of cheese on the cupcake. Use lots of cheese, all the cheese. Yes, spread it around. Very good. Okay, I will wait 1 little second for you to spread the cheese. See the cheese on the cupcake. I did very nice job. You do very nice job. Okay, then your cheese is spread. You take the nacho chip, right? Put it in the nacho cheese, okay? Oops. You just take some, stick them in. Very nice. Doesn't matter. Looky there. Oh, such yummy chips going in the cheese. Okay, stick them around. So now you have your chips in your cheese. Okay, do that. Very careful. Look how nice that looks. Then you take the nacho cheese stick. You have the stick from this cheese and you put it in. Look at my salsa. See my salsa? Very good salsa, okay? Yummy, spicy. Oh, we like it. So spicy salsa. Get the salsa on the stick and put it all around. Lots and lots of salsa. I love it. So spicy and good. Oh, put it all around on your cupcake. Get as much as you can if you love it. I love it. Make it so good. Okay. It's very hard with the stick. All right. Okay. Then, oh, look at how lovely. You got cheese, you got chips, you got salsa. Then the mwah, mwah. What we do last, then we will add jalapeno. Green, yummy, yummy jalapeno along the top of the cupcake. Like this is so good. A little more salsa there. And you have a beautiful nacho cupcake. But it is your cupcake. It is. You made it. So it's your cupcake. Very good. Good job today. I think I will eat my cupcake.
Ooh, that looks really good. I love nachos. Could I have it?
That's not your cupcake. This is my cupcake. I made it.
Okay, so let's rock, paper, scissors for it.
Forget rock, paper, scissors. Let's